Sulod.
Guys,
festivity drinks.
tanawa ga. Kuan na. You want to taho, Greg? No? Taho? Ah?
Good thing I do faster.
Oh, yung taho guys.
I know worm tatambay.
Oh,
Good thing I do
Dami
faster.
fresh fried
Time I
food.
eat some kind of a street food, I get sick. Sometimes I do, so I just avoid it altogether.
Ah, okay.
I just don't do it.
Don't put milk.
Di man na, ma'am.
Yeah, but
Don't put milk.
like I've been sick almost every time we go on a vacation.
Oh, okay.
So I just
Mas na mag-amping din siya, no?
yeah, my immune system digestion is not like
Yeah, okay.
in the Philippines.
You just take care.
Yeah.
Tanang akong anak, oh. Dali. Ngaon na bigta ko, oh.
Yum, yum. And this is my ate, oh.
Come here, ate. Come here. Yan. Hi. Si Fiona, and then what is your name? Gia. Oh. Nangaon mi guys og taho.
O si Kristo.
Si Cristo na siya guys. Magkuha na sila passport kay mo abroad na sila.
Her name is Ulito Pepsi. Only joking you.
Oh, really? What is
Uy, ako nickname her name. Ako
His
nickname na ko kay Topi.
Topi. Then ang unique. Ang klaro ni mo nga name? Ha? Oy.
Then Christoph S. Guzman.
Oh, taas na ihang name. Ang imo?
Jaya Catherine S. Guzman.
Taas po na ighapon ni mo ang name. Ang imo yun ha?
Yun ang Vincent. Tabako man. Yun na
Go in the church, you see all foreigners with short pants, everybody else long pants.
Ah.
Then what's my name?
Asa man dai mo mga to? Magkuha man mo passport.
How about my nickname?
Wow, mato silang Disneyland. Moto kang Disneyland yun na? Nadaan na ba nini mo dito sa si Fiona sa Hong Kong, sa Disneyland?
Wala pa. Central! You know like that? Different. Wait, like the I
Yeah, after the church. Where are you going after?
It's dirty, Mom. Mom.
Are you going to get salad?
It's not dirty, but you need to quickly get in. Mommy, it's dirty. Ma, it's dirty. Ma, it's dirty. Yeah, last time you didn't make it quick, so it'll not be dirty.
Mao na ron.
Mommy, call it.